Hi guys, in this video I will tell you free courses which are available for data science provided by IBM and other big companies. You can enroll in these courses and after completion you can get certificate. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before watching this video, if you are new to this channel then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. So don't miss this video and watch till the end. The name of the website is Cognitive Classes. Open the website cognitiveclasses.ai. Here you can get many courses provided by IBM and other big companies. Data science is an emerging field and there are a lot of job opportunities in this field. Now the question comes, why you should choose data science? Companies require skilled data scientists to process and analyze their data. As you know that lot of data is being collected every day, so in coming future it will be difficult to handle and analyze such big amount of data. Data scientists not only analyze the data but also improve the quality. Therefore, data science deals with enhancing, enriching data and making it better for the company. Companies need to use data to run and grow their business every day. The main goal of data science is to help companies to make quicker and better decisions. As you can see, there are different courses available: Introduction to Cloud, Robotics, Machine Learning, IoT, Blockchain, Artificial Intelligence, Big Data. So you can choose the course according to your taste and preferences. If you want to become data scientist, if you are interested in data science, then you can choose these courses, that is Python for Data Science or R101. Python for Data Science. This free course provides a beginner-friendly introduction to Python for data science. If you are a beginner, then you should definitely go for this course and you will be ready to create your own Python script by your own. As you can see, there are 4 modules. Module 1 will teach you the basics of Python, how you can write your first program, and here you are going to learn the basics of Python programming language. The next module, Module 2, contains Python data structure. It contains the following topics, that is list, tuple, sets and dictionary. Then the next module, that is Module 3, contains Python programming fundamentals, conditional statements, loops, functions, difference between class and object. In the last module, you will learn how you can read and write files, how you can load your data and visualize the data in the form of graphs and plots. This course is available for free and you can pursue this course at any time according to your convenience. The next course which you can enroll is Big Data 101. This course is also meant for beginners, those who want to know that what is big data, how we can deal with big data. So here you will gain insights on how to run better business and provide better services to customers. 360-degree view of a customer. Then you will learn about the data security, how we can secure our data, how we can process the big data. Next you will learn about Hadoop software library, that is a framework. And the third course which I will recommend you is R101. So you must be thinking that why you should learn R. R is a powerful programming language for data analysis, visualization, machine learning and statistics. Originally it was developed for statistical programming. Now it is used almost everywhere and it is one of the most popular language in data science. After going through this course, you will get confidence how to write the code and execute it. So here you will learn not only the R fundamentals but also how you can work with data in R, how you can read CSV, Excel and text files. Next you will learn about string operation and regular expressions. All these courses are compiled and made by professionals who are expert in their own field. I will definitely recommend if you pursue these courses as you will gain knowledge. These courses will help you in future and they are almost free. You are not paying anything. You just have to sign up and after login you can start your course. Below every video there are list of MCQs which you can attempt to practice and test your knowledge. These MCQs are just for the practice and made from the videos which you have studied. If you want to download these videos, you can also download the videos as well as the text files, and there is a practice lab section where you can practice, type and run your code. In coming future, I will upload more videos of free courses which are available online. I hope you like this video. Do give your valuable suggestions and write in the comment box on which topic you want us to make video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.